not operate crimper without replacing shipping plug with air vent plug. Check the hydraulic oil level. Step 1. Selecting the correct die. Use your crimp chart to select the proper fitting series and final crimp diameter. Choose the die with a closed diameter closest to, but smaller than, the final specification. All dies are color-coded and marked for quick identification. Step 2. Installing and lubricating the die set. Lubricate the pressure plate using Crimp X oil for the D165M or Crimp X grease for the D205M. Insert the pressure plate into the base flange. Install the die halves with the split facing forward. Lubricate the compression ring. Place the ring on top of the die set and install the pusher block. Step 3. Preparing the hose assembly. Cut the hose cleanly. Use the insertion block or caliper to mark the correct insertion depth. If using a caliper, refer to the specific crimp chart under Fitting Insertion Length. Mark the hose starting from the cut end. Insert the hose fully into the fitting, twisting as needed to ensure proper seating. Step 4. Setting the micrometer. Refer to your crimp chart and set the micrometer to the recommended value. Rotate the top dial to adjust the decimal. Step 5. Powering the crimper and loading the assembly. Turn on the breaker switch. Carefully insert the hose assembly into the die set. Position the fitting flush with the top of the dies. Step 6. Performing the crimp. Press and hold the pneumatic switch to begin the crimp. The machine will stop automatically when the crimp is complete. Remove foot from the pneumatic switch. Allow the dies to fully retract, then remove the assembly. Step 7. Measuring and adjusting. Measure all 4 flat sides of the crimp at the center. Do not measure over the ridges. To tighten the crimp, decrease the micrometer setting. To loosen the crimp, increase the setting. The micrometer can be calibrated if needed with a 5/16 inch wrench and a 5/32 inch hex key. Step 8. Completion. Turn off the breaker switch. Clean excess lubricant from the die area. Store die sets in a clean, dry place.